Hi, I'm Tom O'Hara, Public Education Officer for the Kitchener Fire Department, and I'm here today to talk about Fire Prevention Week. Our theme this year is serving up fire safety in the kitchen. We have this great demonstration trailer for kitchen safety. With the help of our sponsors, Coldwell Banker, East Forest Homes, and The Record, we wouldn't be able to do all these demonstrations. In here, we have a pot on our stove, and in this pot is 2 cups of canola oil, and this canola oil will start to smoke around 200 degrees Celsius, and then it will actually ignite on its own at 300 degrees Celsius. So as you can see, it's starting to smoke now. So at 200 degrees, it doesn't usually take very long to get up to 300 degrees. Have your close fitting lid with your oven mitt beside there, and if a flame were to occur, you can slide the lid across the top and turn the burner off. Please don't touch the pot after that. Let the oil and everything cool down, and for sure, don't try and take it outside. A couple other safety tips for our kitchen here is you should have a 1 meter kid-free zone around your stove when you're using it. This is really important with some of the younger kids that don't really understand that accidents can occur. Unattended cooking is the #1 cause of injury and death in the province of Ontario. So this is one of the reasons that this year we've decided to promote the safety in the kitchen. Don't forget to wear proper clothing when you're cooking. So tighter fitting garments, quite often nightgowns or some types of pajamas have very loose fitting sleeves. Those are not very good things to wear around the kitchen when you're cooking. Another good thing to have at home is a fire extinguisher and know how to use it. The fire extinguishers all go under the pass principle, which is pull the pin, aim the fire extinguisher at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep until the fire goes out. If the fire is much larger than above your knees, then what you should really be doing is making sure everybody evacuates out of the home and you call 911. As you can see, we're starting to get very close to this igniting on its own. Very shortly, it will be a flame in that pot. And when it does, Captain Collingwood will go up and put it out with the method that I just described. So now we've had the oil self-ignite. So we're going to have Chad go in and show you how to properly take care of this fire in your own home. So the first thing he'd do is put on his oven mitt. He'd pick up his tight-fitting lid, slide it across from the side, put it over top, and then he would turn his oven off. Once it's off, please don't touch the pot again. You're going to have to let the oil cool down on its own. But by all means, if you think it's gotten into the cupboards or the walls or the ceiling anywhere, then call the fire department and we'll come with our equipment and make sure that it hasn't spread anywhere else. So we've actually put our pot back on there now. We're going to get it to ignite again. And what we're going to do now is show you why you should not put any water in that pot. Anytime you're ready, Chad. So this is 2 cups of canola oil and half a cup of water in there. So what happens here is the water goes into the oil and sinks to the bottom because it's heavier. The heat makes it turn to steam. It expands by 1,700 times. All of the oil molecules stick to the water and make a small explosion like that. So as you can see, this is a great reason to not put water on an oil fire. If this occurs, your best thing is to get everybody out of the house or everybody out of the building and call 911 for the fire department and we'll come and put it out. So in conclusion, just a reminder, unattended cooking is the #1 cause of injury and death in the province of Ontario. So please try and not leave the kitchen when you have anything on. If the stove is on and you have to leave, turn it off. We have a lot of distractions around us now and maybe some extra people at home that we're not used to. So pay attention to the cooking or pay attention to whatever else that you need to. Don't try and do both. Thank you very much for watching our kitchen fire safety demonstration today. For more information, you can go to kitchenerfire.ca under public education, and we have some additional resources for you to teach some safety messages to your kids, how to do a home fire escape plan, and some coloring pages. Thank you very much and have a fire safe day.